Buddy, welcome back to Young Bull Finance. Today I'm going to be talking about another REIT, STOR Capital, a company that is owned 10% by Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway. So let's go ahead and start. In 2017, Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, invested $377 million in STOR Capital, representing 9.8% of total shares outstanding. So Warren Buffett, probably one of the most famous investors to ever live, owns 10% of this company, and I think that's an important thing to note. Just a lot of people look up the Warren Buffett. I most certainly do. So let's get into the current stock price and what's been going on with the stock price. Before the market crash, for the last year, STOR Capital has been slowly rising from about $34 to $40 a share, hovering around that range. However, after the crash, they dropped to about $15 a share. Currently, they're trading at $20.36, and their dividend yield is 7.48%. Let's kind of talk about what this company is. So they're a REIT, and they own single-tenant operational real estate. That's what STOR stands for. What single-tenant operational real estate is, it's real estate that is owned by a single tenant. So as opposed to maybe a building that has multiple stores, multiple offices inside, a single tenant operation that just has the one company using the building. They currently have a 99.5% occupancy. They have 491 customers across 49 states, and they have 2,552 investment property locations. All right, everything's looking pretty good. What's going on with the current news? STOR Capital CEO. So on April 14, 2020, the CEO of STOR Capital got on and he spoke about what was going on with the company. He talked about how 65% of STOR Capital tenants are still open and paying rent. The companies that can't really pay rent right now, they're not forgiving them of their loans. They're just deferring them. So what that means is they aren't just letting them get away scot-free. They're allowing them to continue using the building, but they're going to have to pay back later. And they also talked about how that is fine. That's kind of what the tenants wanted to do too. They didn't want to have to be forgiven their loans. They also talked about the importance of keeping their dividends safe and how they want to maintain paying their dividend. So essentially they're trying to get you to feel safer about your dividend payment from STOR. I'm going to go ahead and bring up their balance sheet here. So total revenues for the last 5 years have gone up. Operating income has also gone up for the last 5 years. And let's look at their dividend. They do a 7.23% yield. They paid 35 cents last time. Their dividend frequency is quarterly. Their payout ratio is 69.24%, which is kind of low for a REIT, but they are a newer company, so they're probably putting more money back into the company. And let's go look at dividend history. All right, so their dividend history is pretty solid. Granted, they've only been paying dividends for the last 5 years, and also granted that during the last 5 years, it's been a very easy time to be able to maintain and pay your dividend. However, they haven't messed up yet. They've been continuing to pay, and everything looks solid so far. So I own this company. I own 5 shares. It's 5% of my portfolio right now. And personally, what I think is, I think this company is going to be fine. It seems like their balance sheet, their income statement, and what the CEO has come out and said, it seems like they're doing fine during this situation. And the stock price is pretty low and affordable right now. Honestly, I bought some STOR today. I bought more today. I'm going to continue buying this company. I think they're doing a fantastic job of what they're doing. They have a commitment to their dividend. Basically, I think this company is going to emerge out of this situation fine. Personally, I think they're a safe buy, and I'll continue buying them. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. What do you guys think of STOR? Do you guys own STOR? Are you planning on buying? Are you planning on selling for any reason? Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.